Hi everyone, it's Will, guitar streaming 352. I'm also known as the Dreamer. Welcome to my first screencast. I hope everybody's well, so let's jump right into it. This is going to be cool, I promise you. This will be a 4-part video today, actually a 4-part screencast. Only because I can only record 15 minutes at a time. It's all good. Today we're looking at sounds.com. Let's check it out. Let's take a look at the Dean guitars. This is why I'm called Dreamer, folks, because I like to dream about gear and accomplishing my musical mission with great gear. All tools of the trade, my friend. So on sounds.com, this website's really great. Affordable financing. If you could get approved for a year payment plan, that's always best. So check out Dean Guitars for 2020. Dean Guitars. Let's see what the sounds has in stock. Don't forget, you can find me, the Dreamer, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, of course. Like everybody else. Let's check this out. It's a dime-bag tribute. Okay, here we go. The Dean Z Select. Let's check out the Dean Z Select, shall we? A49 comes in classic black, so this is most certainly classic black. The strings come through the body and come through the back of the guitar. Let's check out transparent Brazilian verse. Oh, look at that. Now I know this is just a veneer top, but you know something? The guitar looks phenomenal. Look at that. We'll see if I can get the specs for this. I've always loved Explorer style destroyer. Remember the old Ibanez destroyers? I've always loved the big, thick bodies. More wood, more tone, more sustain. That's really nice. Look at that. Look at this binding. White binding. That's really sharp. So sounds.com does an excellent job with giving the background and history of their instruments. Here's the specs on this puppy. Check it out. Quilt maple top, set-through neck. This particular finish is called Trans Brasilia. High gloss, mahogany, natural mahogany. Let's see, I'm looking for the nut. There we go. Polymer Okay, the black plastic nut. It's not a bone nut. But then again, you're not paying for prices. You're not paying the price for this guitar that would have a bone nut. Tune-O-Matic pickups with Z-plate. Alright. How much does this guitar weigh? 12 pounds. Pardon me. It's pretty sharp. Let's go to the next one. Let's check it out. What else does Dean have to offer? You have to excuse me, my computer's running kind of slow. There's another electric. Oh, what do we have here? That's a beginner guitar. See, something like this you can get for only 6 payments of $34. And then you just change out the pickups. Unless you like that tone from these pickups. Get some lofty tuners, change out the pickups, maybe the wiring. You'll have yourself a nice rock machine. It certainly looks good. You're starting out with all the right, with everything you need. Let's see. The top contour, it's a flat top. The top of the guitar is made out of basswood. It's a bolt-on, made in China. The fretboard is rosewood. The neck is maple, so you have a basswood top with a rosewood fretboard on a maple neck. Wow, no binding. Yeah, you want to change out the pickups. Yeah, that makes for a good thrasher guitar, you know. Just change out the wiring, the pickups, and the tuners, and you're out to the races. Nice good body and plenty of tone. Let's go back and see what else we have. Yeah, you gotta start somewhere, right? Swish Coffee, Twitter. Let's see here. Dean Beef, Select Beef. Yeah. Okay, this is transparent. Well, let's go with Ocean Burst. Let's see what the Ocean Burst finish looks like. That is sharp. Look at that top. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, now these have Floyd Roses on them, and you're not paying that for Rose. Again, you want to get locking tuners, so your guitar stays in tune. Tuning stability. Duncan pickups. Let's check out the specs on this guitar. Mahogany body, set through neck, so it's a set-in neck through, which is always good. Flat top, quilt maple. Mahogany body, finished headstock, finished back and sides. Black or pearl white, block inlays. Well, it's not mother of pearl, it is pearl white, but still. pretty phenomenal for sure. Huh? What else is being out there? I have about 4.5 minutes left of this video. So let's see. Which guitar does everybody in the chat like, or prefer to play, or prefer to look at? That's made by Dean. Let me know in the chat. Okay, here's a Floyd Rose. Here's a D&D Select. Let's check this out. Oh, that is nice. Look at that. What's this color called? I wonder. Pretty short. That would be Brazilian person. Let's check out a blemished Where's the blemishes? I'm seeing blemishes. 3-piece mahogany. Neck. Ebony Crepe. Floyd Rose 1000. I'll talk about that pretty soon. Mahogany body. Rich, warm, focused sound. Added sustain. For days. Very nice. Very nice. I like to see what kind of pickups these are. They have the Dunham name, the Seymour Duncan name on it. Okay, APH1 custom zebra and Seymour Duncan T5. Well, import guitars, you know. You want to put some decent pickups in. I mean, if you're not happy, you may like these. Yeah, I don't know. I don't own this guitar yet. I'm not too sure what it sounds like. Well, everybody, that about does it for video number 1. Stay tuned for video number 2. We'll be looking at some more guitars. Happy days.